I feel you crumble in my arms down to your heart of stone. You bled me dry just like the tears you never.
Time changed, we're different, but my mind still says.
What's up, Hobknockers? So the first thing I do after I wake up at 5 p.m. is make my pre-workout. It gives me energy, number one, and it's probably the only thing that will motivate me to have a productive day, waking up that late. By the way, it's not supposed to look that disgusting. It only looks like that because I don't like working out on a full stomach, so I kind of don't put a lot of water in there, and that's why it tastes like shit. And here's me chugging it while holding back my gag reflex. Now I'm gonna do that cringy ass thing where you jump and your clothes change. This workout set is from Amazon. I actually got it in 3 different colors because of how fucking good it was, so I recommend it. A shit ton of you have been asking me for my workout routine, but currently at the moment it is Insanity Max 30. It's an extremely intense HIIT workout. I fucking hate it, but also fucking love it at the same time because it does give you amazing results since it's so hard. Basically, if you're a beginner and you're not already athletic in some way, shape, or form, do not try this. You are going to die because trust me, it's a lot harder than it looks. And not gonna lie, I'm more of a lifting type of girl. I just basically force myself to do this because I want to improve my overall fitness rather than my muscular strength at the moment. Move! Well, just finished workout. Feeling great. Now it's dinner time, aka my first meal of the day, and I am having leftover pasta from Applebee's. And enjoy this clip of me dropping my bread on the floor because I was trying to film while doing that for some odd reason.
What's new, Lucia? Nothing much. What's new with you, Shields?
Now I'm taking the trash out because you know me, I just love cleaning. After that I take a shower because I don't really like lingering around in my own sweat. Now I'm all clean and wrapped up in my Lizzie McGuire towel from like fucking 5th grade. I don't even know how that thing is still put together. Hello. I just got out of the shower. I don't know if you guys have the same problem. Maybe actually, because that's a pretty common thing to dye your hair blonde. I dyed my hair blonde for like 5 years and I just recently went dark again. You can probably, you know, tell, blatantly fucking obvious. Anyway, my hair's like still kind of dead in some places and a really cute flex. I am trying to get my fucking dreads out. I'm putting this nourishing oil by Pantene. I literally got it when I lived in Ocean City and I haven't been able to find it literally anywhere else. Like me and my friend have looked fucking everywhere, so it's like really cute. Like I just don't know how to get this shit out. Like it's literally only in the back of my hair, it's not in the front, which means I can like hide it, which is like good. Because people don't even know that I have like these really bad dreads until they try and like play with my hair and shit. It like looks good, don't get me wrong, but like when you actually feel it, it's like fucking awful. It's like when you date a guy and like he's like really attractive and shit, and then you get to know him after a couple months and he's just like a shit person. More like after a couple hours, but like you know the vibe. No tea, no shade. I love hearing like my fucking like hair like break because it's really cute. And I know I'm not brushing my hair the right way. You're supposed to start at the bottoms and go up, but like at this fucking point I'm just trying to get the dreads out. I also bought Olaplex and I'm doing Olaplex treatments on my hair to try to kind of bring it back from the dead. And it's sad because like the majority of my hair is healthy. It's just like certain parts that are like fucked. Also, to update you, I got a protein smoothie from Wawa. That is basically a nightly ritual at this point. Like, I don't fucking know what it is about it. A protein smoothie after fucking insanity just hits different. I need to stop saying the F word so much. Literally all of my comments have been like, why do you say the F word so much? Like, F word, F word, F word. My videos are not for children. Maybe that's why, but like, I honestly do need to work on my fluent cussing. It's pretty bad. Like, one of my friends really asked me the other day, they were like, Lauren, I wonder what you were like before you cussed. Because I cuss so much. Not to be like a relatable teen or anything, but like, I do cuss a lot, and it's kind of a problem because when I speak to parents, I'm just holding back so much that I don't even know, like, what am I without cussing? Ew, I sound like a fucking like Valley girl or some shit. See, there it is again. Anyway, so from Wawa, in case any of you are wondering what my order is, it's the banana protein bullshit smoothie. It's really good. It's actually delicious. I take this over Smoothie King. Mainstream smoothie companies any day. I don't give a fuck. I'm so loyal to Wawa smoothies. Now that I'm out of the shower, as you can see, my room is kind of getting to be, okay, that's my fucking like address. That was really cute. Those are my shoes because me and my boyfriend got matching Jordans and I can't open them until he gets his. Not to be like a simp or anything, but like, and that's like a big step for me because I usually would refuse to not open Jordans for any man, any male specimen, but I guess I'm just caught lacking over here. But anyway, my room is getting to be a shit show again, slowly but surely. Like, you know when you can like see it starting? Like, yeah, that is what it looks like. So I'm just going to pick up my room a little bit, put away my laundry, and then I'm probably gonna do some editing.
I feel you crumble in my arms down to your heart of stone. You bled me dry just like the tears you never show. Why don't you take what you...
Also, this is the Emma Chamberlain's Ideal Planner, and I 10 out of 10 recommend because this is the only reason that I'm productive ever, so.
Want from me, take what you need from me, take what you wanna go. Why don't you take what you want from me, take what you need from me, take what you wanna go. I never needed anything from you, and all I ever asked was for the truth. You showed your tongue and it was forked in two. Your venom was lethal, I almost believed you. Yeah, you read all my every mistake, but it don't need a break. Held me out of hope and I would drop like a plague. I was fixing away, trying to find my way out.
Real fucking nice.
Find my way out. And then finally came the day I stopped giving my heart away. For heaven's sake, my bones will break.
Well, now my room is basically all clean. Make this promise. I've made this promise for years, but this time, guys, I'm serious. I'm really not letting it get messy. It gets messy like next fucking week.
But you never own my soul. No, I feel you crumbling.
Now I finally edit for hours on end. I put this off because editing takes so much energy out of me, but it needs to be done, so. If you didn't hate this video, I would really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe if you want, because the YouTube algorithm is sucking right now and I would really appreciate it. It would help up my engagement. But other than that, I forgot to film an outro, so I love you guys and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.